Hello and welcome to Eric Tech Stuff's channel. Now this is the video and this is the guy that's dealing with 21's TRC-49 Pro 9er. Great unit, very nice React units, basically built for it. And there's another video which I talked about in the last one, and I put the link down below, talking about what it could be and what it was kind of built for. But Mr. 21, and you know him by Dirty Diaper, and you know him also by UDX 21. My UDX 1200 is my member number. He is UDX 21, and yeah, he has the old radio in Charleston, South Carolina. So I'm working on that Pro 9er for him, and I just wanted to introduce myself before we get started with moving along in the project. We'll be back in just one moment, please. Just that update of the radio here, which we have replaced the meter light with the white LED. That also the white LED that actually has a green display on it built in, so that's very nice. But look how clean that meter looks. You can see it from anywhere. Man, oh man. But yeah, we've taken away that crackle as much as we can on that knob. And yeah, like I think the last video and this one's doing right now, but no, 21 doesn't have a dirty radio whatsoever. Just this little dust, but that's not a big issue. I will clean that up as much as possible. But we have the nice, look at how bright those are. Wow. But to the camera, it's a lot brighter. To 21's eyes, it'll be very nice. We're on that channel 9 real quick as well, and back in a second. Of course, looking at the Sam's Guide, we're seeing our crystals, and the crystals we're actually concerned about is the X15 and the X16. Now, of course, the X16 is your transmit, and your X15 is your receive. So we have to make that work properly for the conversion channel 9. Of course, this is off the Sam's Guide. Alright, we're getting ready on 21's Pro 9er. Man, this TRC-49. Get it on the frequency counter real quick. We have to let it warm up a little bit. And we're going to see what it looks like. But yeah, we're going to change out the channel 9 crystals in just a moment. Appreciate it, Eric Tech Stuff's back in a second. Now, I am very impressed on this. Now, of course, my counter is doing some goofy stuff, but it's not an issue. But we're talking on 21s, and this thing hasn't even hit the tune yet. And look at that, 270469 after all these years. Yeah, these old radios definitely work, and then you can modulate up. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, you're gonna change the frequency, but audio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio modulation, and that thing is peggy in the corner, which is what you want. Look at that, boom, just nice. All right, well, and when we turn this on, of course, channel 9 will be 27065, or close to it, 06475, and then everything is going to this. You see that light is out on the channel display until you turn this off. And yeah, that's that S9 mod. I'm curious to see it. I'm very happy to see it. But what I'm doing here for 21 is just a very nice cleanup, getting it working, which it is already. We got the lights on. This old girl is getting good. We'll be back in a little bit. And probably up part 3. We'll do crystals and all that fun stuff next. Appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one. Eric Tech Stuffs 73. 21 UDX 21 with that beautiful wave.